How to fix long videos not showing on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'll show you several methods to fix the Facebook long videos not showing problem on your iPhone or Android device. First, open the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon, then pull down to refresh your feed and check if the videos appear. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Facebook by updating the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap Facebook. Make sure background app refresh is enabled if you're using cellular data. If the problem continues, go to your phone's settings. Then open General, tap iPhone Storage, and select Facebook. Tap Offload App. Then confirm by tapping Offload App. After the app has been offloaded, tap Reinstall App. This reinstalls Facebook while keeping your account data on your device. If you're using Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, select Facebook, then open Storage and tap Clear Cache. Finally, restart your phone and open Facebook again. And that's it. These steps should help fix the Facebook long videos not showing problem. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips, troubleshooting guides, and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.